ready for 3 for right, and 146, East 593 Hotel, flight down the pin. 593 Hotel, flight down the pin. 166 November, Golf, Tower, 127625. East 2 direct Mike. 6 November Golf, continue approach runway 3 for right, wind 250 degrees, 8 knots, you have 10 miles to run.
That's 5.
So many beaches, yeah.
My house is there.
This, like,
Yeah.
Shuttle traffic, Mike, beginning contact ground on 149.
Let's just capture.
Ground 149 Iberia 3230, runway 3 for right, clear to land, wind 262 degrees, 9 knots. Clear to land, Iberia 3230.
What's that?
Radio altimeter.
Gear down and flap shifting and landing procedure down fronts.
check this because given any stance switches.
Continuous.
Heading out,
Full around.
speed brakes,
Up green.
landing gear,
Counter green.
counter green,
Plus 25. And full steady. 135. And continue shuttle speed straps. 30 green light.
checks complete and standing by.
Thank you very much.
Okay, we're doing later 1 Tango Delta, 7 6 for right. 01 Tango Delta, continue approach runway 3 for right, wind 260 degrees, 9 knots, you have 9 miles to run. Continue 3 for right into 1 Tango Delta.
Disconnecting on a shuttle.
Okay, continue, we're 3230.
Disconnecting on the bottom.
3230, come to ground,
One 1,000.
Tango India 696 November Golf, runway 3 for right, clear to land, wind 260 degrees, 9 knots.
Contact.
Fiumicino, Barcelona, Charlie, Airplane, 238 Mike, 3 for right. 238 Mike, good afternoon, continue approach runway 3 for right, wind 260 degrees, 8 knots. You have 10 miles to run.
500.
Traffic is 8319, 4 miles ahead.
Airplane 238 Mike, continue approach 3 for right.
One 100. 50. 30. 20. 10.
Landing time 0.06. 8 knots. Air control.
Tower, Madonna, 593 Hotel. Established localizer runway 3 for right. 593 Hotel, continue approach runway 3 for right. Wind 260 degrees, 7 knots. You have 13 miles to